Now, students, next topic, division of a 5-digit number by a 2-digit number. So, here 5-digit number is given in our example. So, divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5-digit number, it means 49,568 by a 2-digit number, that is 4 and 343. So, after dividing 43, we have to check our answer also. We have to check our answer also. First, how to divide we have to see. So, with a 2-digit number, 43 divides 49,568. This we have to take. So, if you want to write your quotient here or here, no problem. So, that is your wish. Okay. So, now how to check? How to check in 43 table? So, why? Because 43 is a big table. So, we don't know 43 table. So, then how to check one by one? Here how many digits we have? 2 digits we have. Here also we have to check 2 digits, 49. 49 is greater than 43. If 49 is greater than 43, no need to take one more digit. Then 49 is enough. This 49 is very near to this 43. It means 43 ones are 43 we can take. 43 ones are 43. 43 ones are 43. Now after that minus. Okay. 9 minus 3. How much 9 minus 3? It is very easy. 9 minus 3. It is 6. 4 minus 4 is 0. So left side value is 0. No need to write. 0, 6 means 6 only. So no need to take that 0. Then after that you have to take 5. It is 65. Then 43 ones are 43. 43 twos are 86. 42 twos are 86. It is more than this 65. 43 twos are. So no need to take 43 twos are. 43 ones are 43 we have to take. 43 ones are 43. Now again minus. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2, we know. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is also 2. Then after minus, again we have to copy a next place. What is our next number? 6. Now what is our number? 226. This 226 when we will get in 43. So it is difficult to say in 43 table when we get 226. Remember, if these type of numbers will come, then use your brain. How? So here you have to take one digit. Here you have to take 2 digits. In 4 table, when you will get 22 near to that value, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, that is greater. 4 6s are 24 is greater. So no need to take 4 6s are 4 5s are. It means 43 5s are we have to check first. So in this way we have to check where it will come. 43 ones are, 43 twos are, 43 threes are, 43 fours are, 44 5s are. But like this we have to check. Just to use here we have to take first place. Here we have to check. So 2 places are single places where it come in 43 table. 4th table, 4 5s are 20. So it is near to this, means 43 5s are we have to check. 43 5s are, 5 3s are 15, 1, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21, 215, 226. It means it is very near. 43 5s are, 215. Now minus 6 minus 5, that is very easy. Why? Because they are consecutive numbers. The difference between the two consecutive numbers is always 1. 2 minus 1, these also consecutive numbers. Then difference between the two consecutive number is always 1. Then after that, next number we have to copy. So what is your next number? 8. 8 you have to copy. Then what is your number? 118. Then in 43 table, when we will get 118, again it's difficult now. So it is a big table. So how to check? In 4 table, when you will get 11. If it not, then near to that value you have to check. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12, it is more. 4 3s are 4 2s are 8, it is less, means we have to take 2, means 43 2s are, we have to check 43 2s are, 43 into 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 86. What number we have to take here? 86. Then minus 8 minus 6 is 2, is 2. Next 1 minus 8, this is minuend, this is septuagint. Minuend is less than the septuagint, then borrow. Here it will 0, so it is 11. 11 minus 8, 11 minus 8 is how much? 3. 32. What is here? Remainder 32. So once after that any number is left here? No. So we stop till here. So all the digits we took here. So nothing is left here. So you stop till here only. Then here. So this is the remainder. So check your remainder. Your remainder should always less than this divisor. So what is the divisor here? 43. Here 32. So remainder is always less than this divisor. Okay. So then 32. It is less than 43. Now, so this is our divisor. This is dividend. This is quotient, and this one is remainder. Now we have to check. He is asking to check also. Check your answer. Then check. So check. How to check? So here 43 2s are how much? 86. 43 2s are, so that too also we have to keep here. So that complete, what is our quotient? 1152 is your quotient. Okay. Now we have to check. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder plus dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the dividend? 49,568. What is the divisor? Our divisor is 43 into, what is the quotient? 1152 plus, what is the remainder? Remainder is 32. Now we have to multiply this quotient with the divisor, and then 1152 multiply with 43. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 5 and here 1 here, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 1 4, 3 1s are 3. So with 3 it is over. Now so we start multiplication with 4. So we have to keep a 0 in ones place. Now you multiply. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 2 here, 4 1s are 4, 5 6, 4 1s are 4, 6 8 9 10 11 12 13, 3 plus 4 plus 1 5, 6 plus 3 9 4. So this is the product. So then for this product what we have to add? So what we have to add? We have to add this remainder. What is your remainder? 32. We have to keep 32 like this. Then 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 3 6, this 5 as it is, this 9 as it is, this 4 as it is. Then what is here dividend? 49,568. So it is correct. So like this you have to do. Okay. Yes. Now students, next topic, division of a 6-digit number, so with 3-digit number. So here in the example it is given divide. So this is our 6-digit number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6,86,936. So we have to divide with 3-digit number. That is 1, 2, 3, 386. 386. So this whole number we have to divide with 386. Then how to divide? See here. First you take your divisor, 386 your divisor. So it divides 6,86,936. With this number we have to divide. Here how many digits we have? We have 3 digits. So here also you have to take 3 digits, 686. 686 is greater than 386. So 1 digit is enough. 1 digit is enough. So no need to take second 2 digits. Okay. Now here in 386 it is a very big table. So then when it will get 686, the 386 ones are 386, 386 twos are, once you check, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16 plus 1 17, 1 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 772. So what is our answer? 386 twos are 772. So it is a big number. It is a bigger than this. So no need to take 386 twos are. 386 ones are enough. 386 ones are 386. Then minus 6 minus 6 0, 8 minus 8 0, 6 minus 3 3, 300. So what is your answer? 300. Now you copy very next number. So what is that? 9. 3009. In 386, when you will get 3009. So first how to check? In the same way here. So you have to take 1 digit. Here you have to take 2 digits. In 3 table, when you will get 30, 3 tens are 30, 3 tens are 30. So it means we have to take 386 tens are, 386 tens are, we know 386 tens are. 386 if we multiply with 10, then what is our answer? 386 tens. So we learn this 3860, it will get 3860. So if any number is multiplied with tens, we will get 1 0. Multiply with 100, we will get 2 zeros. Multiply with 1000, we will get 3 zeros in that way. So now you check. Here 30,009 is there. Here 38,060 is there. So difference is there. So it is bigger. No need to take. No need to check in 9 also. So now you check in 8. 386 8s are. 8 6 are 48 4. 8 8s are 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 68 and 6. 8 3s are 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30,088. Here 30,009 is there. Here 30,088. This is also bigger. Now if we have to check, 386 7s are, 7 6 are 54 5. 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42 and 4. Now 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56 plus 4 60 and 6. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 6 27. 2702 means 386 7s are 2702. Now minus 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is how much? 7. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now borrow from here. Here 2, here 10. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7, 3. 10 minus 7, 3. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. No need to take. Again you have to take the next copy, next number. Now what is your answer? 3073. Now you check. 386 8s are 3088 is there. That is bigger than this. So no need to take that one. Again we have to take 7s are. 7s are. So what is your answer? Again 2702. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 7 minus 0 is 7. Borrow from here. Here 2, 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 371. Again next place, copy next place, next number, that is 3716. 2716. So here 3716 means 386. 9s you have to check. 9 6s 54. 5. 9 8s 72. 72 plus 5, 77. 9 3s 27. 27 plus 7, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 30. So that we have to take. 9s 3474. Now minus 6 minus 4, 2. Borrow here. 11 minus 7, 4. Here 6. 6 minus 4, 2. 242. So here any number is left? No. So then this is our remainder. This is our remainder. So in this way we have to check if a big number is given, in which it will come. So 386 1s are, 2s are, 3s are, 4s are, and we have to copy here. Next, after this what he is asking, so we have to divide. So only he is asking to divide. He is asked to divide. Okay, this is our answer. So only divide he is asking, nothing. So if verification, if he asks, means check your answer. So that means you have to check. So what? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In that way you have to check. But here only divide he is asking. Divide means you have to divide. So what is the quotient here? 1779 is your quotient. What is your remainder? 242 is your remainder. So this is your quotient and this is your remainder. Okay. Now student, in exercise 6 we have to divide and check our answer. Okay. First, what is there? 29,484. It is a 5-digit number. So this 5-digit number we have to divide with 2-digit number. So then now you take 28 divides 29,484. Now in 28 table, when we will get 29? It is very easy. 28 29 means 28 ones only. 28 ones 28. Then minus 9 minus 8 is 1. Then after that very next number we have to copy, that is 14. Now you check here 14 and 28. 14 is less than 28. If 14 is less than 28, it means we have to copy so one more number, so that is 8. So we are copying two numbers at a time. So if we copy two numbers at a time from here, so then we have to keep 1 0 here, 1 0. So then we have to take two numbers. Then when we will get 148 in 28 table, so how to check here? So here we have to take first digit, here 2 digits. In 2 table, when we will get 14, 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14. It means 28 sevens are. Don't take 28 sevens are. So you have to take one less number. 28 six are. 28 six are. 6 8s are 48. 4. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 13, 14, 15, 16. 168. It is also greater than this 148. So now you take 28 5s are. 28 5s are. 5 8s are 40. 4. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 14. 140. 140. It means 140 is less than 148. So we can take 28 5s are 140, then minus 8 minus 0 8, 4 minus 4 0, no need to take, 1 minus 1 0. So in the middle if you have 0 then you take. So here both are zeros here, 4 also 0 and 1 also 0, then 2 zeros, so no need to take that 2 zeros. Okay. Then after that we have to take 4, very next number, that is 4. Now 84. So when we will get 84, 28 threes are. Once you check 28 threes are. 3 8s are 24, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. This is 84. 8 3s, 3 8s are 24, 2, 8 3s are 2, 6, 7, 8. Means 28 3s are 84. 84 minus 84 is 0. Then this is our rough column. Okay, this is our rough column, complete rough. Now here remainder is 0. When the remainder is 0, then what you have to take? Our formula. Our formula is dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient into divisor into quotient. That's it. No need to take remainder. So why we are not taking here remainder? So because remainder is 0. See, in our question remainder is 0. Whenever the remainder is 0, so we use this formula, this is enough. When? If the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, only you have to use this formula, divisor into quotient. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Now here what is the dividend? 484 is equal to. Now here what is the divisor here? 28. And what is the quotient here? 1053. 1053. Now you have to multiply 1053 multiply by 28. Then first you multiply with 8. 8 3s are 24, 2. 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 2, 42 and 4. 8 zeros are 0, 0 plus 4, 4. 8 ones are 8. Then after that with 2. With 2 means 2 is in tens place, first you start with 0. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10 and 1. 2 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 2 ones are 2. Then 4, 8, 4, 8 plus 1, 9, 2, which is equal to our dividend. What is the dividend? 29,400 and so the both are equal, this and this. It means our answer is correct. In this way we have to check our answer. Now question number B, also a similar question. It is a 5-digit number. This 5-digit number we have to divide with 81.